Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kaples again and I welcome you all in my today's class. And I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. So today we will discuss class 12 and the topic is company account, and we are on the way of doing the issue of share. And in this series we have covered how we can issue the shares, means issue of the shares at par, at premium, and we have also discussed so many you can say subtopics regarding this issue of shares, like calls in area, calls in advance, how to utilize the security premium amount, and how we can deal with the under subscription of the shares. So now moving further, today we will discuss the oversubscription, the situation when the number of applications received by a company are more than the number of shares to be issued. Suppose if a company is planning to issue 10,000 shares, but just because of the good goodwill and name and fame of the company got more than 10,000 applications for that issue. It is called oversubscription of the shares. And this oversubscription situation gives some sort of problem to the company, because when you get the 10,000 above application and you have only 10,000 shares for the issue, then in that case, just in order to tackle that situation, company can follow three types of strategies. Means company can deal this situation by applying the three types of strategies. The very first strategy, that is rejection, means some of the applicant will be rejected, their applications will be rejected, and their money will be refunded to them along with an official letter which is called letter of regret. Letter of regret is a letter which is being given to those applicants to whom company is not going to issue the shares, means to whom the company is going to refund their amount of the application. Second, full allotment, like some of the applicant will be given the equal number of share they have applied. Like if someone has applied for 10 shares, he will be or she will be given 10 shares. Third, prorata allotment. Prorata allotment, or it is also called proportionate allotment. This is a situation when a person who has applied for more share, he will be allotted lesser number of shares. Suppose if I have applied for 10 shares, then I will be allotted less than 10 shares, maybe 8, maybe 9, maybe 7, depending upon the extent of oversubscription, right? If it is heavily oversubscribed, then the number of share allotted will be really low than the number of share someone has applied. So these are the three types of you can say strategies, or these are the three types of solutions which a company can opt in case of oversubscription. So now, in order to understand all these things, I have planned one numerical by taking imaginary figures, just to understand this in a something in a good scenario. So suppose if any company want to issue 1,20,000 shares of 10 each, and the amount is called like 3 rupees on application, 5 rupees on allotment, and 2 rupees on first and final call. Company is going to issue 1,20,000 shares, but actually the application received by company is 1,50,000. So now how you will deal with this type of situation? I am again repeating, 1,020 share company want to issue, 1,50,000 application received by company, and this share is being called by, the amount of the share is being called by the company in 3 installments: share application rupees 3, allotment rupees 5, and first and final call of rupees 2. So now this type of pro rata table you have to make in order to make it more clear, just in order to remove all types of chances of the mistakes. The very first column will stand for number of share applied. Second, it will stand for number of share to be allotted. Third column for the refund, means those people who will not be given the share, their amount will be refunded. Then how much extra amount you have got on the application, which you have to adjust on the next subsequent call. Because if anybody has applied for more share and he is being given the lesser number of share, then definitely company will go for the adjustment of extra amount paid on the application on the next subsequent call. Like अगर किसी ने application पे ज़्यादा पैसा दे दिया है, then extra money will be adjusted toward the next subsequent call. तो application का excess पैसा जो होगा वो allotment पे adjust होगा. Here you will find कि हमारे पास excess है कितना है. Then this excess amount will be adjusted on allotment. Now I will tell you one very important thing in this case. If question is silent, nothing is given, and if after adjusting the excess amount on allotment, if still some amount is extra, then you have to return that to that applicant, you have to refund that. You cannot adjust that into the next subsequent call. मीन अगर किसी का एप्लीकेशन का पैसा अलॉटमेंट पे एडजस्ट करने के बाद भी एक्स्ट्रा है, देन जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन में स्पेशल ना लिखा जाए, यू विल नॉट एडजस्ट दैट ऑन द फर्स्ट एंड फाइनल कॉल. You will adjust that only up to allotment and you will return that amount to that person. But if it is specially given that you can adjust that in the allotment as well as in the next subsequent call, then you can do, but it is not done until and unless you will not be given specially. Okay, so now in this case, what company has you can say adopted the strategy? The very first, I am taking all these things imaginary and these are the assumed thing just to make more clarity about this situation of oversubscription. Suppose 20,000 applicant has not given, they have been rejected, so their money 20,000 into 3, 60,000 is being returned to them. And second, and it is called no allotment, rejection letter of regret will be given to them. And this is 80,000 applicant has given 80,000 shares, means this is called full allotment. Now in this case, no extra money because they have applied for 80, they have given allotment 80,000, so in that case no refund, no excess, nothing. This is the third category, which is called pro rata category, means those who has applied for 50,000 shares, they have been given 40,000 shares, means they have paid the application money by 50,000 but they have given 40,000, तो it means इनका 10,000 applications का हमारे पास पैसा extra होगा. 10,000 into 3, they have given 30,000 extra on application. Now I have to adjust that on the allotment. लेकिन जब भी आपने allotment का आपने application का पैसा allotment पे adjust करना, you have to see कि हम उतना ही adjust कर सकते हैं जितना उसने pay करना है. So first of all I have to see कि this applicant, ये category वाला बंदा actually हमें allotment पर देगा कितना. तो he having 40,000 share and the call rate is 5 rupees. So 40,000 into 5, 2 lakh rupees he have to pay. He should pay. तो out of 2 lakh, I think 30,000 can be easily adjusted. But suppose अगर allotment पर उसका 30,000 से कम देना बनता, तो बेटा मैं उसको उतनी amount ही adjust करता, बाकी amount उसकी return होती. Okay, so this is, you can say, pro rata, and 30,000 is being adjusted on this allotment. Now you all can see 1,50,000 was the applied, 120,000 was the shares which we have to allot. 60,000 we are going to return and 30,000 we are going to adjust on the next subsequent call, that is allotment. Now अब हमने इसकी entries कैसे करनी है? The very first entry, that is bank account debit to share application 1,50,000 into 3, 4,50,000. Right? But when we are going to transfer that amount or we are going to adjust that amount, तो हमें ये देखना है कि actually application पे आना कितना चाहिए था. आना चाहिए था 1,20,000 into 3, 3,60,000. So we have received 4,50,000 and we should receive 3,60,000. So it means 90,000 we have received extra. Now that 90,000 we have to adjust, and in order to adjust that 90,000, either we have to return that amount, either we have to adjust that amount in the next subsequent call. अब देखो उस 90,000 में से 60 हमने return कर दिया and 30 I am going to adjust on the next subsequent call. The very first entry, bank account debit to share application 1,50,000 into 3, 4,50,000. Second entry, when you will adjust this amount, then entry will be share application account debit to share capital टू जो रिटर्न करेंगे बैंक एंड टू शेयर अलॉटमेंट. Here 4,50,000. This is 3,60,000. Bank. Bank means the amount which you have refunded, and share allotment the amount what you have transferred to allotment. This is your second entry for the adjustment of application amount. जितना एप्लीकेशन अमाउंट एक्स्ट्रा आ गया या तो वो वापस होगा या वो आगे आने वाली कॉल पे एडजस्ट होगा. नाउ जब भी बेटा अलॉटमेंट की कॉल ड्यू होगी, अलॉटमेंट की कॉल ड्यू होगी 1,20,000 into 5, 6 lakh. But you will not 6 lakh, you will not receive 6 lakh because 30,000 is already available for you to be adjusted on allotment. So 6 lakh minus 30,000, 5,70,000 you will receive on the allotment because you have already 30,000 to be adjusted on this allotment. So this is all about oversubscription and the how to deal with this pro rata table and how to make the adjustment of excess money received on the application, either by way of refund, either by way of adjusting into that into the next subsequent call. So in the next lecture we will try to, in the next video we will try to understand the next scenario, that is forfeiture and the reissue of the share, right? Okay.